Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I got one of my Walmart deliveries. They broke my one delivery up into several different deliveries. So, yeah. So this is another one of them from the same order. Uh, but they're 10 cans of tamales, chicken and chili sauce tamales. This one looks like it's going to be dinner tonight because it got dented during shipping. This does not come from a local Walmart. They decided to actually ship it. So it definitely got messed up. I'm still waiting on my one can of turkey. It looks like it's going to be shipped from out of state. So it is weird to have one 5-ounce can of turkey still coming via the mail shipping. Um, so that's kind of weird. Why they just didn't grab 12 of them when they did, I don't know. But maybe the store didn't have them. But yeah, it's still coming from a different state. So, anyways, I got my tamales for an easy meal. I do like homemade tamales and I love making them. It's just very hard on my body to do so. So I need help with that now. So maybe I can convince one of my friends into helping me make some tamales one of these days. Not anytime soon because I just don't have the strength. But until then, I'll have to deal with these. I don't mind them. They're not anywhere near like homemade, but they'll do in a pinch. And it's something easy. I can just open it up, unwrap them, and these might not even need it. I don't even know. Um, yeah, they probably do, but I don't know. So, but we're gonna have this one tonight because it's dented, and I don't know what else to have tonight. So that's what we're gonna have. By the time you see it, I've already had that for dinner. But I'll put the rest of them in my easy meal, quick easy meal bucket. That when I just want something easy and I don't have the energy to really make anything, that's the bucket I go to. So that's what I got. I had some other mail calls, but I did those videos. And Kibber's tired. I had my caregiver come over today and we got some work done. So, and my body's wiped out, so I'm done too. So I just want to get this video done and out there for y'all. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day or had a wonderful day, depending on when you watch this. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe and your family too. Bye for now.